BirdSnap AI is a new cutting-edge AI software that's already making waves. But what exactly makes it stand out? And is it really worth the buzz? In this BirdSnap AI review, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Stick around until the end because I'll share my final verdict and how you can try it out completely free. Don't miss that. First things first, what does BirdSnap AI actually do? This AI tool uses machine learning to identify bird species from photos, making it perfect for nature lovers and bird watchers. All you have to do is upload an image, and within seconds, the software identifies the species, offering both common and scientific names along with relevant data like habitat and behavior. This kind of technology is impressive, but it's also incredibly practical for those who want to identify birds without needing expert knowledge. One of the coolest aspects of BirdSnap is its accuracy. Powered by extensive data and advanced algorithms, it's designed to pinpoint species with remarkable precision. In my testing, I was blown away by how quickly it recognized birds, even rare ones. Whether you're out on a hike or just snapping photos in your backyard, you can trust that BirdSnap will give you reliable results. The user interface is another big win. BirdSnap has been designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. Uploading an image takes just a few seconds, and the results are presented in an easy-to-understand layout. The clean design allows even first-time users to navigate the app without frustration. Plus, there's no need for a steep learning curve. Anyone can start identifying birds right away. BirdSnap also integrates a database of over 1,000 bird species, making it a highly resourceful tool for users around the world. This database is constantly updated, ensuring that it includes the most recent discoveries and information. You can even use BirdSnap to compare species and learn more about the birds you identify, making it an ideal educational tool. Now, let's talk about the power of the AI behind BirdSnap. What's impressive is that the software continues to improve as it gathers more data. Thanks to its machine learning capabilities, BirdSnap not only gets smarter over time, but also adapts to different environments and variations in bird species. So the more you use it, the better the results become. Another key feature is the ability to share your discoveries. BirdSnap allows users to create profiles and share their findings with a community of bird enthusiasts. This creates a social aspect to the app, which can make your birdwatching experience more engaging and fun. It's also a great way to contribute to a growing database of bird sightings and knowledge. And before I get to the pricing, I want to point out that you can try BirdSnap AI completely free from the link below. So if you're on the fence about whether it's right for you, there's no risk in giving it a go. When it comes to pricing, BirdSnap offers a freemium model. You can use it for free with basic functionality, but for premium features like unlimited identification and advanced data analytics, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. That said, even the free version is packed with value, and for most users, it will be more than sufficient. As for my final thoughts, BirdSnap AI is a game changer for anyone interested in birdwatching or learning about wildlife. It combines powerful AI technology with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to all levels of expertise. If you're looking for an efficient way to identify birds and explore their behavior, BirdSnap is definitely worth checking out. Now, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended software for you to try for free. You'll find those links in the description below, so don't miss out. Give BirdSnap a try and let me know how it works for you.